So hi guys, we have here sa ating showroom. So naroon tayo ditong display na ating Expander GLX Automatic. And guys, napakamura lang nito for as low as 23,000 monthly amortizations and makukuha nyo siya for as low as 15,000 down payment. So guys, tingnan natin ang kanyang unit. So guys, ito ang kanyang front grille. Ayan. Naka-halogen headlamps pa rin siya and halogen fog light. So, ang kanya namang mags is ayan. Of course, signal light and syempre disusi pa rin na siya. And hindi siya push start button ha. Ito ang kaibahan sa ating GLS. So, ito yung kanyang susian and ito yung kanyang steering wheel. So, very spacious siya. Yan. Grabe, ang ganda rin. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng budget na ating unit, 7-seaters, we have here the Expander GLX Automatic variant. So guys, if you're interested for this unit, feel free to message me sa aking contact number, 0917-165-4848. Yun lang. Bye.